Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we dive deep into the realm of upcoming smartphones as we set our sights on Samsung's highly anticipated flagship series, the Galaxy S24. Buckle up as we unpack the latest leaks, rumors, and official certifications that have stirred up excitement in the tech community. Just recently, real-life images purportedly showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra surfaced online, leaving us intrigued. Initial impressions suggest a flat display, but hold on, whispers from a reliable tipster hint at a possible curve, adding an element of mystery to Samsung's design choices. The anticipation is palpable, especially considering we're on the verge of witnessing the flagship firsthand, with its launch date looming on the horizon. Speaking of official confirmations, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has received NBTC certification, solidifying its identity as the SMS 928B/DS with 5G support. But what does NBTC certification entail? Join me on a brief journey into the world of regulatory standards in Thailand's telecommunications industry, governed by the National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission. Now, let's delve into the tantalizing details that have surfaced regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra specifications. According to earlier leaks, this powerhouse is slated to debut with a 6.8-inch display boasting a dazzling 2500 nits screen brightness. Brace yourselves for a potential titanium frame, a move that could position it in direct competition with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But what about the camera setup? Hold your breath as we anticipate significant changes. Rumors suggest a shift from the previous 10x periscope camera in the Galaxy S23 Ultra to a 5x telephoto lens. What's more, Samsung might be leveraging Sony's IMX854 sensor, offering a whopping 50MP resolution with a sensor size of January 2nd, 52-inch and 0.7 pixels. This promises a leap forward in photography capabilities. While the 200MP wide-angle sensor is set to make a return, whispers hint at an improved 200MP ISOCELL HP2SX1/1.3-inch sensor with 0.6 micrometers pixels. Get ready for a camera system that builds upon the already impressive capabilities of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, raising the bar in smartphone photography. Now, let's peek under the hood. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be fueled by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, ensuring a performance powerhouse. Initial configurations may include 12GB of RAM paired with 256GB of storage, all powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery. And fear not, fast-charging enthusiasts, whispers suggest a 45W fast charging support, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 series is gearing up to make a grand entrance, and Samsung seems poised to redefine the smartphone landscape once again. Stay tuned for the official reveal, possibly in January, and join us in the exciting journey of exploring the cutting-edge technology that the Galaxy S24 Ultra promises to deliver. If you're as hyped as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, techies!